Hey everyone, my name is Nwaogo Goodness, and this is a workshop on the prevention of diabetes. Prevention of diabetes is a workshop presented by Nwaogo Goodness. Now, let's go to the next page. Diabetes is a metabolic disease that causes high blood sugar, and it is caused by high level of sugar in the blood. Diabetes is fully known as diabetes mellitus. Sugar is moved from the blood into our cells to be stored and used as energy by the hormone insulin. Basically, anyone who is with diabetes simply means that the body either does not make enough insulin or cannot use the insulin it makes effectively. The severity of the diabetes disease falls under 7 categories, namely cardiovascular disease, nephropathy, retinopathy, peripheral disease, stroke, neuropathy, and metabolic. So those are the 7, categories that the disease falls under. Now, we're taking them one after the other. We have cardiovascular disease is a condition affecting the heart or blood vessels. It is usually associated with a build-up of fatty deposits inside the arteries and an increased risk of blood clots. So that is that. I just try to explain one of them so that you understand what it is. So now I would like to focus my health campaign in Mafoluko area in Oshodi local government area in Nigeria, of Lagos State in Nigeria, and Mafoluko is strategically located in Oshodi local government area of Lagos State. It shares boundaries with the international airport, so most people there are knowledgeable, and they have and they, some of them even have these diseases. So my target audience are adults living with diabetes areas already, and adults without diabetes. Okay, so maybe without diabetes, you could have you can have some lifestyles you begin to live, but when you are aware of some lifestyles you don't need to live on, and you can be free of that, isn't it? So I'm also going to be looking at some children too that have potentials of contracting the disease. My objective is to promote and contribute to the surveillance of this diabetes, its complications and mortality, and its risk factors. Then I also have the objective to contribute to building capacity for the prevention and control of this disease, to raise awareness about the importance of diabetes as a public health problem. So all these we are going to be looking at a workshop. We're going to stop here today, and until see you next time.